Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let us get into the causes and risk factors. See, the causes are not the causes for fibroids. Fibroid causes are different, but here we are talking about the causes for infertility or causes for your recent or recurrent miscarriages. So, what are the causes? First is physical obstruction. The main reason why you are not able to carry a baby or why you are having recent or recurrent miscarriages is that there is physical obstruction by these fibroids. Second thing is the distortion of the uterine cavity. If the fibroid is going inside the uterus, there is the shape difference in the uterus which is causing this pregnancy related problems. Apart from that, we have cervical changes if there is a fibroid near the cervix. And also this cervical fibroid can cause differences in there are normal bacteria or flora in the vagina. Okay, these are very common, like we have the bacteria in the gut as well. Okay, under certain pH levels and under certain hormonal levels, they are good for us or they are maintained like that. But if there is any disruption in the hormonal level or if you are having a fibroid, this gets disrupted, new bacteria, different diseases arise, and the good bacteria become bad where there is yeast infection, where there is bacterial infection. All of this are occurring because of fibroid. And impaired implantation. If you are having fibroids, there will be problem in implantation. That is, when the zygote is formed in the fallopian tube, it will come down and attach to the uterine cavity, right? When there is a fibroid, this implantation, this attachment also will not happen. So these are some of the causes. And let us look in deeper about the other causes as well. What are the other factors? That is nothing but increased uterine contractility. See, whenever you are experiencing menstruation, to let go of the uterine contents, the uterus will contract to let it out. Like the menstruation, the endometrial layer is letting out, the ovum is being thrown out. But if you are having a baby, the uterus should not contract. But if you are having a fibroid along with the baby, because of the fibroid, the uterus will start contracting, leading to miscarriages or abortions as such. Okay, and then hormonal and molecular changes. If you are having fibroids, you might have experienced hormonal changes, and hormonal changes in turn cause fibroid. So this is a cycle. If you are having these, then it will be a problem for your pregnancy. Apart from that, inflammation and autophagy and microbiome changes. If you're having fibroid, you will be having changes in the vaginal flora, and also not only that, you will be having changes in the body where there is inflammation. That is, what is inflammation? Your body is reacting too much to a normal thing, and it has started behaving like you have some sort of infection where there is heat generated, where you're holding on a lot of water, you become fat even though you're not eating a lot. All of these are the causes of inflammation. Any disease which has itis in it is inflammation. Okay, these are some of the causes for recurrent miscarriages, and you're not able to conceive because of the fibroid. If you're someone who is experiencing fibroids and watching a video, if you want to have a good cure for your symptoms as such, you should be choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. In Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is online consultation if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, and in-person consultation if you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus. In online consultation, we have two options. One is the audio consultation and the second one is the video consultation. You can approach us through either one of it. And also, after the consultation has been done, and if you're having any sort of investigations already done, you can share it with us. After the case taking and the doctor consultation, the medicines will be delivered to you, especially to the online clients. Home delivery will be done. If you're staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you want to contact us, you can contact us to the given number here, either through WhatsApp, either through call, or either through message. Okay. And if you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you are experiencing any sort of fibroid issues, infertility, or female reproductive diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, chocolate cyst, or hemorrhagic cyst, PCOD, PCOS, dysmenorrhea, which is painful periods. If you're looking for cure, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. Why is it that you should choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow three principles. First, the reason for doing this video is itself because of the high and good amount of success rates that we are having in this female reproductive organ diseases. Second is the transparent treatment, where there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third thing is the personal care. The personal care here at Fidicus is really top notch. The reason for this video is because of the personal care. That is because in persons or the online clients have asked us so much of questions that we wanted to do a video in order to convey it and also in order to educate other people. So the personal care, we will be discussing in detail all of your myths. We will be busting it and we will be educating you. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to have an answer for all of your diseases, Fidicus Homeopathy is the answer. So choose Fidicus Homeopathy if you want to choose cure. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.